Thank you. So this is our AdvanTech Subfloor Adhesive.
Okay.
Comes out of a foam can delivery system, and it's a foam to gel technology, meaning that the foam, once it comes out, turns to gel rapidly.
Right. Nice.
And as you watch that kind of bubble over, what's happening is based on the moisture content of the wood fiber, which we've simulated with paper here, I'll continue to get bubbling action, which is our kind of gap-filling properties of the subfloor adhesive.
Okay.
So some of the benefits of our adhesive is it's a high concentration of polyurethane.
Yeah.
Comes out in a blue tint, so you know where you applied the subfloor adhesive and did not. It's moisture cured, so if you had wet or frozen wood,
Okay.
it
Nice.
would create a nice strong bond. All right. Very rapid application. For a yield, a can, you'd get 16 sheets of subfloor on a 16-on center all day long.
Okay.
Our applicator gun, the threads are universal, but if you used our applicator gun, it's a Teflon coated. And as long as I shut off the valve at the back, so I've got no trigger draw,
Yep.
we would tell you could keep that on there for 30 days.
Okay.
And if you use our AdvanTech Subfloor panel
Yep.
with a deformed shank fastener, so ring shank nail, a scrawl, or a screw, on any engineered floor joist solution, whether LVL or solid sawn I-joist, or a floor truss, so just not dimensional lumber,
Yep.
we warrant that AdvanTech panel to joist will not squeak for 10 years.
Nice. So it's a warranty.
So it's a squeak-free warranty
Nice.
from AdvanTech using our flooring solutions.
Okay. And in the gun, you have a new gun applicator.
Yeah, great question. So we just launched this year. We've got a longer length barrel, 28-inch long barrel. The benefit of that barrel would be for a framer, I potentially would never have to leave the secured sheet
Right.
to then reach out and apply onto the joist.
Right.
Also a little less fatigue bending over,
Nice, yeah.
a little easier application, faster. And that's brand new this year, Teflon coated subfloor adhesive applicator gun.
With the longer nozzle, does it still? You can still go for 30 days.
Still 30 days. Close the valve off on the right. Make sure there's a charge on the can.
Okay.
And we would be good for 30 days. And if you needed to clean the gun,
Okay.
we have our own cleaner. So if I was cleaning the gun, I'd want to unscrew the can, screw in the cleaner, and I would just want to run until I had clear liquid coming out of the barrel.
Okay. Great.
And if I
so
needed
that's pressurized.
It is pressurized. And if I needed to do any cleaning of my hands or areas I did not want the adhesive on,
Yeah.
I just spray that on there. It'll
Okay.
break down the adhesive.
Oh. Okay. Great. Well, hey Mike, thanks for your time and great talk.
Thanks for having us here.
All right.